You're up the front then. Just about to leave Moses Creek. Now climb up the ridge towards Cradle Falls. Beautiful forest. And company's not that bad.
Yeah.
We've just come up the ridge, almost at Cradle Falls. There's this little tarn on the shoulder of the hill before we get up to Chapter Lake. Approaching Chapter Lake, and you can already hear Cradle Falls. Can't wait to see them. Before we go to Junction Lake, we're going to take a squiz at this beautiful falls. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Pity about the fine weeds in there. Yeah. Beautiful little Fagus forest. Gotta love it. Junction Lake. Hopefully this is the track that leads us down to the Never Never to be seen again. Come up here, mate, so I can... Satisfied customer. See what he do.
Ooh, don't like that, do you? Oh, I'm getting the flock out of here.
He's just so big. Put your finger next to him again. Bloody oath. He's had a good suck.
He's had a good suck, hasn't he? Where he's going to go.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open.
Here we are, crossing the river. We're about half a k short of Hartnett Falls. Beautiful river it is too, I love it.
In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
Here we are on a second day on the Overland track, looking at Cathedral Mountain. We saw circumnavigating. We're going to hit the Kia Ora junction soon. Track down there towards the river, jump in and get wetter still. And this is the Overland track. No one, I've never done it. Along the way, I reckon we've met at least 50 people going in one direction. That's all fine. But why would you want to go bushwalking with so many other people? Along the Kia Ora trail down to the Mersey River. Down a steep little bit. And I presume we can hear Kia Ora Creek, which is quite a nice creek in its own right. Beautiful forest as you can see. Nice and open bridge. Best way to go. Here we are at the junction of the Kia Ora Creek, Mersey River. This is where we're going to put in. getting ready to get into totally cold and wet. This is the end of our pack rafting trip down the Mersey, top end of the Lees Paddocks. Oh, don't exaggerate, should have been at least 300. We walked about 100 of it. But there's logs and more logs, which we didn't realise.